Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and I'm Kanitha. Today's video is this amazing DIY body butter that I have for you guys. All right, so we're about to get right into the video, but before we get into this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Some of you know that I am on this journey to reach 500 subscribers by the end of this month, guys. We are almost there. Thank you so much for subscribing, for sharing my content. You guys love this hair butter that I just made. If you haven't seen it, go see it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you like this video after you watched, please give me a thumbs up. We are about to get right into this video and all the ingredients that you will need to make this body butter for your skin, for this winter season, for this fall season. All right, so let's get into this video. And these are the ingredients that you will need. I'm using 4 different butters. I'm using shea butter, the raw yellow one, and the refined one, which is the white one. The only difference is that one has a smell, the other one doesn't have any smell. I'm using cocoa butter, I'm using mango butter, and I'm using Kokum butter. So for each butter, shea butter is great. It is a great moisturizer, okay? It treats acne, it smooths the skin. All right, so Kokum butter, it is highly moisturizing, guys. It has healing property, it heals dry skin, it does not clog the pores, so that's great. Okay, so it treats acne as well, anti-inflammatory. For cocoa butter is one of the the butters that you will find in most skincare products. All right, so it's such a great butter. Okay, so it's moisturizing, it hydrates the skin, improve elasticity, almost as for a mango butter. Mango butter is similar to cocoa butter as well. Okay, so it also heals sunlight burns. As for Moringa oil, I am not going to give it in order. So Moringa oil for skin, it is high in antioxidant and fat acid, which makes it extremely moisturizing as well. Healing properties, it helps skin stay youthful. And for castor oil, listen, if you're Haitian, you know castor oil, we use this for everything, for pain, for everything. It has great healing property. It reduces puffiness. You can use it on your lips for dry skin. If you have dry lips, use it. Sweet almond oil treats dry skin. It helps reverse sun damage, reduces appearance from scars as well, stretch marks. And jojoba oil has anti-inflammatory, healing properties, helps with eczema. Oh, and I didn't mention aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil is very moisturizing as well. It fights dark spot, manage acne, smoothing the skin, slowing sign of aging. All right. And guys, you do not have to use these oils because I have them in my house, so that's why I use them. And I did make a body butter before. You will find it on my channel, but that body butter was mostly for dark spot on your skin. So you can go look at that video and see all the oils that I have used. Of course, I use vitamin E oil and some type of other oils, I think. And as far as for the essential oils, I use tea tree oil and myrrh oil. Murrh. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So jasmine is also a great smell. This smells good, but they do have great benefit because myrrh, it treats eczema. It tightens the skin. It fades blemishes. It smooths. It helps with itchiness as well. Listen, I read this. I was reading the Bible. I'm like, oh, this is in the Bible, so I gotta use it. Frankincense as well is another great oil. Matthew chapter 2 verse 11, I think. Yes. So as for the what you see me added, It's like a body, like a gel. It's oil, but it feels like a gel texture. I got it from Target. You can add it or you don't have to add it in your oil, but it is extremely moisturizing as well too. And of course, as you saw, I did the double boiling method, and then after I melted and put it in the freezer for 20-25 minutes, then whip it, add the essential oil that I want, which is two different essential oil, the tea tree and the myrrh oil. Tea tree oil is an amazing oil. Okay, let me tell you, I use tea tree oil if I have a cut, if I have a pimple and put it on it, it's gonna dry it right away. Tea tree has a lot of healing property. Okay, so use tea tree oil. It's good for acne, healing cuts. All right. So see, it was like after I whip it, it was like the texture. I didn't really. It was a bit watery. But then if you put it in the fridge, it's going to give you this different texture that you will see now. Okay, so of course I give some away, and it was, oh, it feels so good, guys. It feels so good. It's not too thick, it's not too it's very creamy. It is creamy. It's creamy. It's moisturizing as well, extremely moisturizing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you like this video, okay, give me a thumbs up, comment something, let me know what you like. If you have used any of the oils or the butters that's in that video, let me know in the comment section below. Share this video with someone who has dry skin. It's for you too. Oh, especially winter's coming, you know, fall is here. We need our skin to stay moisturized. All right, and to not be flaky out there. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me, you know, reaching my goal of 500 subscribers for this month. We are so close. Okay, so please share this video. Thank you again. Have a joyful, a peaceful, wonderful, and a blessed day, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye guys.